Hi, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam.
Welcome to Marin English Lab.
In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. What do you do every day? What's a typical day like for you?
In this class, you'll learn everything you need to talk about your daily routine, including work, free time, meals, and sleep habits.
Let's start by looking at how you can talk about your everyday working routine.
You're working freelance now, right?
Yeah, that's right. I've been doing it for about 6 months now.
That must be nice. You can work from home, you don't have to deal with bad bosses.
Yeah, it has its pluses, but it's not all fun and games. Obviously, my work is more flexible, but I still have to be disciplined and make sure I stick to a schedule.
So, what's your working day like?
I like to get an early start, so I get up at 8 and I work from 8:30 to around midday. Then, I take a long lunch break, maybe go to the gym or something like that. Then, I do another 3 to 4 hours in the evening, so I finish at 7 or 8.
That's quite a late finish.
Yeah, but it suits me. I get sleepy in the afternoon, so it's not the best time to work.
That still sounds much nicer than working a regular job. I have to get up at 6:30, then my commute takes around an hour, so I have to leave the house at 6:30 at the latest. I'm at the office from 8:30 till 5:30 or 6, then I don't get home until 7 at the earliest.
I have to say, working at home has some disadvantages, but I don't miss commuting every day.
No, you shouldn't. It sucks.
Do you work the same hours every day?
More or less. Sometimes I stay late if there's something I need to finish, but I try to leave on time. Otherwise, I don't get any time at home before I go to bed.
Here are some questions for you based on the dialogue. What's your working day like? What time do you start and finish? Do you often work long hours? Do you take any breaks during the day?
Let's see how you could answer questions like these. So, what do you do in the evenings after work?
Honestly, most days I'm so tired when I get home that I just crash on the sofa and watch TV. I don't like it, but I don't have the energy to do much else. I play tennis on Wednesdays, but that's it.
I know the feeling. It's hard to motivate yourself when you've been at work all day. What about you?
I'm the opposite. I'm stuck at home all day, so when I'm free, I'm desperate to get out of the house, do some exercise, talk to people. I try to arrange something most evenings.
What kind of thing do you do?
Lots of stuff. I've started going to a boxing class twice a week, and I also play basketball with a group of friends every Thursday. Then, I'll generally go out with friends for a coffee or a drink on 1 or 2 evenings, too.
Wow. You're pretty busy.
Yeah, but I prefer it that way.
So, do you cook? I mean, you're at home all day, so you must have time.
Yeah. My meal habits are all over the place, though.
What do you mean?
Sometimes I skip meals, or I eat at weird times. I might eat dinner at 7:30, or I might not eat until 11. It depends what I'm doing, and how hungry I am.
That's the exact opposite of my situation. I have to eat at the same time every day, because that's the only time I have free. If you could choose, what working hours would you do?
Is no hours an option?
Just imagine you're working freelance like me, and you can set your own timetable. Would you still start early?
No way. I'm a total night owl. That's one of the reasons I'm so jealous of you. I really struggle to get moving early in the morning.
You see, I'm not exactly a morning person either, but I like to get some stuff finished early in the day. It helps me to feel more productive.
Then, sometimes I take a nap in the afternoon, because I often go to bed quite late. I stay up late on weekends, but during the week I'm in bed by 11.
If I don't get 7 or 8 hours of sleep, I find it hard to focus at work. Now you know how to talk about different parts of your daily routine in English.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.